Hello, welcome. So it's a different trip, same clothes. Getting dressed in the morning is easy when all you gotta do is figure out which white shirt you're gonna wear. So I'm down here, so the goal for today is I wanna finish setting the tile, the cuts that I didn't make, and I also wanna grout the tile, and I also wanna finish the framing where it meets the horizontal ceiling. So let's get started. Alright, so this has all had about 2 weeks to set, and I think it's pretty solid, so we'll get moving on this. Alright, let's see if this thing fits. I have a bad track record when it comes to pre-building stuff and then seeing if it fits. Okay, it's a good sign. That's not a good sign. I built this thing. I thought I built this thing extra small. Horizontal, I think. Okay. I think it's gonna fit. Just needs a little bit of magic hammer persuading. Yeah, we'll get this. Be right back. There we go. That worked. Surprisingly. Tighter than I ever thought it would be. Alright, so I said last week I was having trouble getting good clean cuts, so I had to bring my better saw down. This thing is like the saw that tile contractors would buy like 20 years ago, and I found this on clearance at Lowe's for like a quarter of what it costs new. It was an unbelievable deal, so I bought it. It's so heavy, it's a pain to haul anywhere, so that's kind of why people are buying newer saws now, because I think they're just more transportable. But it works great if you get it where it needs to be. Anyway, all these tiles right here I've marked out. I'm going to batch cut them, go see how they fit, and then cut a bunch more little slivers with the leftover pieces and see where we stand. Oh my God. I cannot begin to explain how much easier this is to use than that other saw. Just having the table move instead of having to slide the tile across is so much easier. And you just really do get much better results. So anyway, I'll do the rest of these off camera. All right, everyone, I've got all these pieces all here cut and dry set. So I batch cut everything before I've mixed my thin set. So now I'm going to mix thin set and set all these, and then maybe we'll have time to grout them. I don't know if we will. I'm going kind of slow here, so might be a short video. But anyway, let's get started. Got a little piece of thin set there, preventing it from going down. Every once in a while that happens, you miss something there. Had good coverage though. See, that's not full coverage right there, so I could put a little more on that. All right, well that's about gonna do it for today. It's like 7:05 p.m. I definitely don't have time to let that dry and then grout it, so I'm just going to take off. Kind of a short video today. But I should be back here soon, and the good news is I'm hopefully doing some things to simplify my life a little bit and have some more time to do some of the stuff I'm really passionate about, so I maybe can get back to videos every week in the next month or two. That's my goal at least. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let's check out what we did here. But thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. So, all right. So, got all those awkward cuts done, and especially around here, it took a long time. That's why I didn't get much done on the videos. I burnt through a lot of tiles, spent a lot of time making those cuts. Especially around the shower. I wasted a lot of tile. Well, not wasted, but I have a cut that I didn't think was so good, and you know, I just do it over again. So anyway, thank you again. See you next time.